Time now for our chart of the day. Joining us for a breakdown is the one and only Ben Watson, Senior Manager of Trading Services, Charles Schwab. All right, it's good to see you, Ben. So let's dive into your short-term chart. You've got a 5-day first. What do you notice in that one for Palantir?
Well, good morning, Diane. Yeah, this is another one of those kind of backhanded upgrades, if you will, because it comes with that reduction in the price target. Nevertheless, the price of the stock overnight and over the last couple of days has been moving a little bit higher. So I've got the awesome oscillator on this particular chart down in that lower panel. And that upward move down from that support level around the 128 level has been positive. It's got positive momentum, but it's been a little bit less than awesome, the response to at least this overnight upgrade. You see price kind of pulling back a little bit into that diagonal trend line that's still there, still climbing. But I think there's a bright spot on this particular chart using the volume profile tool over there on the right-hand side. I've highlighted that with that circle. There's a little bit of a volume gap. So the volume profile lists trades at particular price, so volume at a price level. There's a little bit of a vacuum. That could suck this price back up to this 158 resistance area that we've seen before, which becomes more significant when we start to look at some longer-term context here, but just less than awesome in the overnight hours here, Diane.
Okay, less than awesome in the overnight hours. Shares up 1% right now, though, to be fair. I mean, it may need a little bit more than that to really get things going. So you've got a longer-term chart. Obviously, you set that one up. So we've got a 1 year. Yep. What does that look like? What do you notice?
Well, there had been this very large, and we talked about this the last time we looked at this kind of large head and shoulders reversal pattern. It's kind of outlined in that channel between the 158 and the 198 range. That's about where that price target came in. It was around that $200 mark before. It's been lowered now down to 180. But you saw the break of that 158 support level, which was kind of the neckline of that pattern, came down, touched 128, which was the bottom of our previous chart, has rallied back up from there. It's kind of in the midpoint of that. So this could be the completion of that bearish reversal pattern. We could see it come back up and test 158 and then bounce back down as a retest and then a larger move. But from a measured move perspective, that move from 158 down to 128 is probably, given the technical analysis here, about all this is going to get, given the fact that the RSI is indicating there's a possibility of a reversal here, Diane.
All right. Thank you, Ben. That's Ben Watson, Senior Manager of Trading Services, Charles Schwab, with a deep dive into the chart for Palantir.